Did you know that the creation of modern compact loaders and skidders wouldn't have been possible without the innovations in snowblowers and plowshares? And without the invention of compact machines, Bobcat Company wouldn't exist. Here's a glimpse into the birth and development of Bobcat, the billion-dollar machine manufacturing giant. The duo of blacksmith brothers Lewis and Cyril Keller of Rothsay, Minnesota, were so brilliant at building small machinery for farmers. The equipment they regularly build falls into one of two categories: farm work or clearing snow. The innovative brothers excelled in both areas, building plowshares for farmers as well as walk-behind and self-propelled snowblowers to deal with tough Minnesota winters handily. But the bigger and more unique problem you face, the bigger and more unique will be the solution. In 1956, local turkey farmer Eddie Vello visited the Keller brothers with a unique problem. He was looking for a machine to quickly clear manure from the second floor of his barn. This problem actually clicked through the mind of the brothers, and the idea they would come up with really hit the roof. Now imagine the scenario. Standard loader tractors in that era were too heavy and too bulky to work on the second story. It was impossible. In fact, the brothers didn't have a machine in their shop to meet Eddie's challenge, but they did know how to build light, maneuverable snowblowers and plows. Based on this point, the foundation of the new idea was already laid. But look, ideas don't start working right away after they're born. There's a tough and dedicated process following them that involves a lot of trial and error. Keller's brother didn't shy away from this and just started to work on the idea to materialize it. So by experimenting and testing on Eddie Vello's turkey farm, along with a lot of tweaking and learning, the Kellers created the first three-wheeled compact loader. That was where the new industry was born. Just like any great investigation, it quickly gained popularity among other farmers, and the brothers struggled to keep up with demand. In 1958, they teamed up with the Melrose brothers, Les, Cliff, Roger, and Irv, who owned Melrose Manufacturing Company in North Dakota. This partnership led to the mass production of these machines, marking the successful entry into the compact equipment industry with the vision to make the task of workers easy. Once the new industry took birth from the idea of Kellers, they didn't look back and started to grow day and night. So soon after the innovation of the compact machines hit the roof, the machinery was officially branded as Bobcat equipment, in honor of the quick, agile, and tough prairie animal. Then the rest is history. Over the decades, the name Bobcat has been synonymous with loaders. It all began in 1960 when the company introduced the world's first true skid steer loader, the M400. Surprisingly, the new model didn't take off right away. Melrose decided to redesign and rebrand its skid steer loader, and in '62 they introduced the M440 as the Melrose Bobcat with the familiar white color and red accents. They named it Bobcat because it was tough, quick, and agile, just like the animal. The revolutionary skid steer loader gained popularity, cementing Bobcat's name as they released more models with improved features. By the late 60s, Melrose started expanding internationally and acquiring other businesses to grow their empire. Their annual sales soon topped $25 million, largely thanks to Bobcat equipment. However, they needed a merger partner to continue growing. So in '69, the Melrose brothers handed over control of their family company to Clark Equipment Company. While the frame and shape of the Bobcat skid steer loader didn't change much until '72, many mechanical enhancements were made in the early years as the equipment's uses expanded. Bobcat remained at the forefront of innovation, from upgrading to more powerful diesel engines to improving the drive system and safety features. The company made great strides in the loader's strength, power, and reliability, but new consumer demands and market opportunities required continuous improvements. By the mid-70s, the Bobcat loader was performing tasks never imagined by its creators, the Kellers. It was used for everything from broom sweeping to apple picking, snow blowing, and mowing. Attachments greatly enhanced the loader's versatility. As more attachments were invented, quickly mounting and detaching them from the loader became essential. The Bob-Tach system was a groundbreaking innovation for skid steer loaders. Unlike other quick-release mechanisms that use pins, which would get loose, rattle, and wear out, the Bob-Tach's triple wedging design tightened with use. This system was so effective, it became the SAE standard for all skid steer loaders. The groundbreaking invention of loaders kick-started the compact equipment industry, now an $11.6 billion global market, and cemented Bobcat's position as the industry leader. In 2014, the company celebrated the production of their millionth loader. Throughout the 80s, 90s, and into the new century, Bobcat's range continued to expand with larger models that could outperform big, traditional single-purpose machines. These new models not only matched the power of their predecessors, but also offered multi-use adaptability, providing greater value for money. Consequently, new variants of the traditional skid steer loaders found a welcome place in construction, landscaping, and industrial job sites. During the 70s, Bobcat equipment arrived in Australia as part of its global expansion, thanks to Clark Equipment Company. Perfectly suited to Australian conditions, the nation embraced the brand and its robust, durable products as if they were one of their own native animals. Today, Bobcat operates in Australia in collaboration with the Clark Equipment Dealer Network. This network, with branches across the country, offers excellent service and parts support from modern workshops, factory-trained technicians, a fleet of mobile service vehicles, and authorized service agents. Customers also benefit from comprehensive equipment financing and rental options. Over the years, Bobcat not only enhanced the power, capability, and technological advancements of their skid steer loaders, but also significantly expanded their loader family. That includes compact track loaders in '99, mini track loaders in 2002, and small articulated loaders in 2020. Not only this, but the company has always been at the forefront of technological innovation about compact machines. Back in 1996, when cars still needed keys to start, Bobcat patented the first keyless start option on Bobcat loaders. Shockingly, in '99, they introduced the first American compact track loader with a solid-mounted undercarriage, and that same year, the company added another industry first, a deluxe instrumentation system providing vital loader and monitoring and diagnostic information in 7 languages. In 2014, they opened up the Acceleration Center in Bismarck, North Dakota. This facility was established to drive innovation in product development, design, prototype engineering, prototype manufacturing, computer simulation, and testing of ideas and concepts. It serves as a key engineering hub for all Bobcat compact equipment distributed globally. Driven by a passion to serve customers, Bobcat took on even more challenges, engineering and introducing new products and capabilities. They announced their plans to enter the compact hydraulic excavator market, bringing its attachment expertise to these machines and expanding the range of applications and revenue opportunities for owners. The major breakthrough came a decade later with the introduction of the exchange system, which allowed excavator operators to quickly switch attachments. Over the following 3 decades, Bobcat introduced multiple generations of excavator product designs. The first Bobcat-branded compact excavators to reach North America were the models 56 and 76, built in Japan. The 56 had a digging depth of 5 feet 6 inches, while the 76 offered a digging depth of 7 feet 6 inches. The compact excavator, a well-established product concept in Europe and Asia, was relatively new to North America, with annual sales in the low hundreds. However, the combined volume and Bobcat's success made it clear that building their own excavators was justified. Initially, some components were purchased while others were manufactured in-house. These excavators were assembled at the Bismarck, North Dakota factory, where Melrose agricultural products had previously been produced. In 1990, they became the first manufacturer to produce excavators in North America, a record that held for 25 years. In 2002, they introduced utility vehicles. As they continued to seek new ways to help customers achieve more, the brand evolved beyond just compact equipment. The company returned to its agricultural roots by reintroducing compact tractors in 2019. A year later, they unveiled a full lineup of zero-turn mowers and entered the large excavator market. By 2023, they expanded their offerings to include forklifts, portable power, industrial air, aerators, turf equipment, and a variety of tools, enabling people to tackle virtually any job that comes their way. As of now, Mike Ballweber, the president, believes innovation is at the core of Bobcat and continues to be a driving force in our organization. And here we end today's video. Share your thoughts on the successful ideas of the founder of Bobcat in the comments below. Remember to subscribe for interesting videos on the unbelievable world of amazing machines, and see you in the next video.